So we're going to spend the whole day today in the Islands Adventure. We was in the Universal Studios yesterday. I want to show you a great value snack here, the Croissant Moon Bakery. They're only open 8 till 4 though, so it is a lot shorter opening times than all the other cafes and quick services. Well, we're going to show you a great snack in there, but the past 2 times I've been in, they haven't had it, there's not even a space for it. And we are actually here early on, so I think they're still doing it, but it was a Reese's Big Cookie. Now they still do the chocolate chip cookie, which is probably the same price. It's only a couple of dollars, wasn't it, if you can remember? It was about $3.
$3.54, yeah.
It wasn't more than $4. It was I think it was $3 something. But if you have your annual pass, I think it worked out like $2 something. So really cheap. It's a great bakery in there though, isn't it? And the cake's very nice.
Yeah, they do sandwiches and croissants and all sorts of different pastries and stuff like that.
Yeah, I definitely feel like whatever you have in there, you get your money's worth, don't you, in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great value place to go to get some snacks.
Yeah.
Just walking through the Lost Continent area to go to the Velocicoaster. And me and Matt was talking. Does anyone know why Universal spent months refurbishing Sardin's Fury, and then as soon as they did it, they shut it?
Yeah.
That makes zero sense to us. Does anybody know why they did that? And if you do, leave it in the comments below. Going to go on Velocicoaster, only 25-minute wait. Then we want to go back to the Lost Continent, so I want to talk a bit more about that area and what the speculation is as to what is going to be replacing the Lost Continent. They've got loads of choices on these freestyle machines, haven't they? It's brilliant.
Tropical.
Oh, let's try lime.
Yeah.
What's a lime? We have just made our way to the Hog's Head Beer Garden. Of course, we have just come off the Jurassic Park River Adventure.
Yep.
I am soaked as usual, but we've got a big bone to pick with Universal, haven't we, Matt?
We have, yeah.
So if you want, I'll let you explain, and you can demonstrate also how this goes on our Secures. I'll let Matt explain everything.
When we came 4 months ago, we went on the river adventure and multiple people got the phones out and were filming the journey as we go around, and they came on the tannoy and told them to put the phones away as they weren't allowed on the ride. So this time we went on it on an earlier day of this trip, and again people had the phones up but they weren't told not to film this time. So we thought, oh, perhaps they've changed the rules and you're allowed to film again. So I asked the staff member at the entrance to the ride if I could film with this wrist strap. So the GoPro will be fastened to my wrist and secured with the usual fastening bolt to this wrist strap, so it couldn't fall out of my hand or anything.
So literally, this is our wristband, and the GoPro is literally bolted onto this. So we have I can't show you because obviously I'm filming on the GoPro, and the bolt is on our handle that we use. Yeah. So you take the bolt, you unscrew it off the handle, and then you use the same bolt to bolt it to this wrist mount. So this thing is not coming off. So this is our wrist strap, and just to prove that, one, it is not coming off your wrist at all, and two, the GoPro will not come off this thing. It is literally bolted onto it. So that's what our wrist strap looks like.
Like that. It is awkward to do, but right. And then secured.
Yeah, that like thing, that is on. And then the
camera bolts to here.
Yeah.
So it's not going to go anywhere. Even if I was opening my hand, it's not going to go anywhere.
So that's what we use.
So I showed this to the staff member at the entrance to the ride, and he said, no, you're not allowed. Even that, he says you
got to put it away.
You still got to put the camera away.
So our big bone.
So right, okay, I thought, oh, they're cracking down on it again. Went on the ride. everyone whips the phones out again. Nothing on the tannoy. Even coming down the drop, everyone's allowed to use their phones, and we've missed out on that footage now.
So if anybody works for Universal or knows somebody that does work for Universal, can you please explain to us why you are allowed to film on your phone, which is a loose article in your hand? So why you can literally do this as a loose article, filming, way, weren't they, like this? They weren't doing it discreetly either, they were literally like this, filming. But we are not allowed to use our GoPro, which is also half the size of a phone.
Yeah.
Our GoPro is tiny. It is bolted on to a wrist strap, and that wrist strap is not coming off your hand. So if anybody works for Universal or knows somebody that does work for Universal, please leave it in the comment section as to why that is allowed on River Adventure. It's 75 now. So we just got off Hagrid's. We waited 60 minutes for that. It's well worth 60 minutes in our opinion. You were in the motorbike for the first time?
I did, yeah. I've always been in the sidecar before.
It's just so much better, isn't it? Like you really feel like you're not strapped in almost.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. But yeah, not everyone can go on a bike. So.
No, yeah, so we understand why they do the sidecar.
So we're in the Lost Continent now. There's not much here now, they've taken away Poseidon's Fury. But it has been rumoured this is going to get turned into a Legends of Zelda land. The producer of Zelda and one of the directors of Nintendo was seen walking around here wearing construction gear.
And they were filming some sort of video,
yeah, filming some sort of video for Universal. So the rumours are quite strong that this is going to be a Zelda land, which would be really cool because we're fans of Zelda.
But we're massive gamers and we've played all the Zelda games.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't take much at all to turn this land into Zelda.
Yeah.
Would it?
No, it wouldn't take a lot at all.
It wouldn't take a lot. They basically just change the theme tune to Zelda as you're walking around.
Yeah.
I mean, all the buildings, it's pretty much set up for Zelda, isn't it?
Well, they've got the Poseidon's of Fury building
if they turn that into a Zelda ride,
yeah, that'd be cool.
Oh my god, that'd be amazing.
And then there's also a big theatre that used to be here and a big area of land that they could develop as well. So
what we're saying is, this land is pretty much set up for Zelda.
Yeah.
It wouldn't take much at all to change it into Zelda, would it?
No, I wouldn't be surprised if it happens in the near future.
Yeah. Also, in that Zelda, because the shops are pretty much set up as well, aren't they, really? Yeah. All they need to do, change the theme tune to Zelda as you're walking around, fill all the shops with Zelda merch, which they won't have any problem with it at all, with designing their own merch. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, they've already got the rights to Nintendo. And then they can just put like the statues of the champions which are in the game all around, like in the area.
From the most recent game.
Yeah. Oh, that is lush, that is. So we just had our final day at Universal, and now we've walked to Texas Roadhouse on the 192. We've never been here before, so we're really excited to try it. Let us know in the comments below if you've been to Texas Roadhouse, and if you have, what's your favourite meal to have here? So here's the menu. Steaks, meats, chicken. On the back, Matt. Got to pause the video and have a look at the menu. Our server just bought us the legendary bread rolls, so apparently this is where it's at with Texas Roadhouse. It doesn't look like butter, does it? It's like a grey colour. Yeah, but it looks grey. Oh, has it got some seasoning in it?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells sweet.
Yeah.
It smells like cinnamon.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Okay, that may be cinnamon butter. It smells exactly like cinnamon. Okay, these bread rolls are steaming.
Alright.
Even just dip it.
Hot.
That's 100% cinnamon. cinnamon butter.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You think the bread?
Lovely.
Yeah?
I'm not sure about the butter though. I think I prefer normal to make those.
Right, okay.
Oh, now I can see it's steaming. So what do you think of the butter?
Yeah, I'll try it now. It's awesome.
The winner now.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure about with cinnamon butter.
Yeah. I wish you could like choose whether you want. This is obviously a Texas Roadhouse special butter, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I wish you could choose to have this or or just normal butter.
Yeah.
This place reminds us of Miller's. You've also got tennis all the way around, showing you sports. I have to be quick filming in here because they've got music blasting out. So we might have had the same burger. It is a smokehouse burger with sauteed mushrooms, onions, barbecue sauce, lettuce, tomato and onion with American and Jack cheeses. A very, very big burger. It looks delicious. It comes with steak fries. We might have some barbecue sauce and mayo. And it's the first time I've ever been bought hot barbecue sauce, which is genius, isn't it?
Yeah. So that way your food's not getting cold.
I just poured the sauce on my burger. Smoking hot sauce. Never ever had that done before.
So we're just eating at Texas Roadhouse. What do you think to it?
That was the best burger I think I've ever had in Florida so far. Out of all the places we've been over the years, that's definitely the best burger I've had.
I'd have to
It
agree,
was
yeah.
absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, that's the best burger I've ever had as well. Yeah.
It was so tasty. It was gigantic. I couldn't even finish mine.
Yeah. And also, I really like the restaurant as well. It's playing country music all the time. It's a little bit loud, difficult to hear each other, but still a nice themed bar and themed around Texas. Obviously, that's why it's called Texas Roadhouse. The only thing for me, I perhaps wouldn't be so bothered about the bread rolls again in future. The bread rolls had a cinnamon taste and the cinnamon butter. I'll just perhaps give it a miss and enjoy my burger a bit.
It wasn't what we expected. We knew that there was this massive hype about the Texas Roadhouse bread rolls, but we had no idea that they were cinnamon infused. And for me, I love cinnamon, but the butter was super rich and sickly, and even for me, it was too strong of a taste of cinnamon. I wish that when they bring you the bread rolls, I wish that they'd ask if you want normal butter or their special butter.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I mean, you might be able to ask for normal butter, but we had no idea what it was. We just thought that it came with normal butter. We had zero idea that it was cinnamon rich butter.
Yeah, it tasted more like a breakfast kind of roll. And perhaps. Yeah, I wouldn't be fussed if we didn't get them next time.
Which is crazy because that's what I think the hype is about at Texas Roadhouse is the bread rolls.
For me,
that we've read, but it wasn't really our thing.
I think their meat is brilliant. The burger was lovely.
It was beautiful.
So yeah, I'd definitely go back for the quality of the burger, and probably would have a burger again in future. Yeah. Or they do other meals, maybe try something different.
I thought, for what you got on your plate, I thought it was a brilliant price. Yeah. Our burger was $14 each. Yeah. Our bill came to $37, and then we gave the tip on top. Yeah. But so it was absolutely brilliant for what you got.
Yeah. Because obviously your drinks are refillable and.
Yeah, we had a refillable pop, didn't we?
Soda, yeah. Right, we're going to end this video here.
I want to say thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.